Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's April 24th, 2026. This is a trade recap on how I lost $282 right here. So let's get into it. So first thing, saw coming into market open, which was right here. So coming into market open, I saw we had these triple equal 15-minute highs right here, right? So 15-minute equal highs, really strong draw, right? And I also saw that we had this hourly gap right here, 1 hour bullish, and we also had this other discounted 1 hour bullish, right? So then after that, what I saw was market opened. We had this 5-minute fair value gap right here that we played into, and then we got a little rejection from it, and we came down, and we filled this hourly gap, right? Ideally, I wanted to see this lower hourly gap get filled, but I saw that we had these 15-minute equal highs up here, which is a really strong draw. And so I thought, you know what, we have this 5-minute gap right here. Let's just take this long. So took a 1-to-1. I forget where my stop was. Ended up being, I think, somewhere around here, right? Uh, or no, I got entered lower, actually. Got a pretty good entry, like somewhere down here, maybe. And stops over here. So the reason why I ended up losing this trade was, first of all, I should have stick to what I thought originally, which was waiting for this discounted hourly gap to get filled instead of taking it off of this gap. Should have waited for that. And uh, the position of ES. So right here, 935, we inverse this 5-minute, right? But what are we doing on ES? The equal highs on NQ is over here. But 935, what are we doing? Like nothing, right? We're coming lower. We're not showing any signs of displacement higher. And we're respecting bearish PD arrays and going lower. So I should have looked at ES when I took this trade. And it was a bit of an impulsive trade, to be honest. Low-key an emotional day. Uh, at least I cut my losses short, and I only lost $280 instead of like 500. So not that big of a loss, but still a pretty emotional day. Bad trading day for me. And yeah, I should have taken into consideration what ES is doing. And it was a really impulsive trade. Saw that we inversed the 5-minute and didn't take a look at ES, which is just a lesson to learn from. So do it next time. And just the trading is just improving as you go on, right? So next time, hopefully this doesn't happen, right? Because I'm learning from my mistakes right now. But there was another setup I saw. I didn't take it, but I'll talk about it because I know that those few people that took this trade, which was originally what I wanted to see happen. So boom, we create more low resistance liquidity up here, even stronger draw now. Then we came down, swept these lows, filled in the discounted hourly gap, which is what I originally wanted to see. And then we got this 5-minute inverse. But with this, your risk to reward is just so bad that like I would have put my stops like maybe over here, but I wanted to see a better entry, or I would have put my stop over here at this low right here. So I wanted to see a better entry. I wanted to see it come a little bit lower to right here, and it barely didn't hit that. I was gonna set like a limit order right there, but it didn't end up hitting that, and then just ran higher, hit TP. Like, what am I gonna do about it? That would have reduced my loss. It probably would have been like $30 earned profit because I wouldn't have risked that much on it. Because it's like 2 trades in a day. Usually I only take 1 trade. So 1 to 2 trades. If I take 2 trades, it's gonna be less risk, right? So should have taken that trade. Unfortunate, I didn't get filled down here. But yeah, currently down just $280 on the Lucid Flex 50K eval. But hopefully next week catch a dub or something because our trading's low-key been super shit recently. On this eval, I have 2 break-evens and a loss. So like not in a good position right now, like mentally and just the funded in general. Because even back testing, like I was profitable on back testing before, and then I don't know what happened, just like motions or something, but fuck, like I've been losing on back testing and live trading. I don't know what's happening, but need to just keep going through, stay disciplined, all that stuff, and then hopefully you can pass the eval soon. But yeah, that's it for the trade recap, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.